How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on the Wi-Fi. Now inside the Wi-Fi, all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi connection you are connected with and scroll down and tap on the configure proxy and make sure it is turned off. If it is turned on, then make sure to turn it off. After that, go back to the settings again. And in settings, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the screen time option available there. And once you see it, simply tap on it. Now, once you're inside the screen time, scroll down till you see the content and privacy restrictions option available there. Once you see it, tap on it again. Now, toggle it on and tap on the iTunes and app installations option available there. Now inside it, make sure that all of them is in allow option. If any of them is in don't allow, then make sure to put them in allow. Now go back to the settings again. Now on settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Now scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.